Hi, I'm Lidjia. Ramadan Kareem, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a lamb and pistachio kebab with a beautiful, fresh, vibrant spoon salad inspired by the flavors of Turkey. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this.
I'm using premium Australian ground lamb for this recipe, which is going to give us a super tender and delicious kebab. We're going to start our kebabs by soaking the bulgur in warm water for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, puree your pistachios in a food processor with a little water. Add parsley, mint, chili, allspice, garlic, onions, and pulse until it forms a thick, fragrant paste.
Once my pistachio and herb mixture has been done, I'm going to mix it with my lamb and my spices.
Transfer to a bowl and squeeze all that water out of your bulgur and toss it into the bowl with your ground lamb. Add salt and pepper and mix through until all the ingredients are well combined. Now, put a piece of parchment or plastic wrap onto a cutting board. Add the meat and shape roughly into a rectangle. Score the meat into whatever kebab thickness you want, then weave through the skewers.
I'm going to refrigerate the skewers until they're nice and firm for about an hour. You can even freeze these if you want. Cover them with plastic wrap. You can keep them in the freezer for about a month. Defrost before grilling. While my meat is chilling, I'm going to make a Turkish spoon salad. So cucumber, tomato, green pepper, and red onion that I've cut into a 1/2 centimeter dice. Just put that into a bowl. Very simple. I got this recipe from an amazing chef from Colin Clegg of Refrigerate in Dubai and London. And I've kind of taken his elevated version and I've adapted it for the home kitchen. So mix that all together and a little bit of chili for heat. Set that aside. Get on with your dressing. Olive oil, pomegranate syrup, a little bit of tomato puree, hot chili sauce. Now, I'm not going to add too much, just a drop. I'm using sriracha. And mix. I'm going to let the flavors macerate and get into the vegetables. While I do that, I think I'm going to make a quick tzatziki. So just a little yogurt, garlic, olive oil, and cucumber. It's going to go perfectly with our kebabs and our salad.
So once you're ready to grill, heat a grill or frying pan over high heat. Add the kebabs, reduce heat to medium-high, and grill, turning as needed until the kebabs are golden and cooked through. They look absolutely divine. Serve over Arabic bread to catch all the flavor and lamb drippings and sprinkle over sumac. And now my favorite part, we're gonna plate. So we're just gonna add the spoon salad beside the kebabs and Arabic bread along with the yogurt and garlic sauce. Absolutely delicious. Best quality Australian lamb I could find. Wonderful, you're gonna wanna share this with everyone you know. Sahten.